Good morning, friends. Good morning. Last week on Friday, you could have seen the market has actually gone down quite a lot, and the main reason has been there was a lot of data which are actually got shared on 31st of July, which included the GDP. GDP has come down to a very large extent, and that is one of the main reasons. But even in the US market, the same case was there where the GDP data was very horrible, but it was actually one of the most horrible thing, much worse than the Great Depression. But even after that, the market has moved higher. And if you actually see today, for today, let me show you. There are few things like. One of the most important thing which actually data which is going to come is going to be for Indian market. It's not going to make a big difference, which is actually the manufacturing PMI data. If you see, this is the data which actually has been moving out quite positive, but the same PMI data is actually going to be making a lot of significance, where Germany is actually going to come with the PMI data, which if you see, during the lockdown and during this corona phase, actually manufacturing, most of the cases have been shut down. Now they are coming back to life, and pre-corona stages, the same actually manufacturing index is also PMI index is ISM PMI manufacturing thing is going to come from for the United States, which also have been moving quite steadily if you actually notice. So today, based on that, looking at the way the market has closed, PMI data could be quite positive. That is the reason market has moved higher. So for today, market probably will actually be in a range. So the lower end of the range will be 11,000 and 11,000 or 11,100. 11,000 to 11,100 could be the range, or probably till around 11,150. It will actually be in that particular range which you can see. So yes, last week it took actually the support. This was almost nearby to the Friday's low. It actually can take support at that. By chance, actually, it comes down. The support might be taken at 10,950. 10,950 is going to act as a very strong support. So support will be taken, and likely that the market is going to move higher. The news of Amit Shah getting corona and all may not really affect the market to a very large extent. Market actually may open a little lower, but there is a very high probability market will actually move higher from here. So market may be in a range, but it is a good place for us to actually look at actually buying. Buying is more advisable at this stage rather than selling. So that's what I can actually see. So the levels which we are seeing for today, if market is going to go down to 10,950, that is a good place to buy. So 10,950 to 11,000 could act as a support, and the resistance will come at 11,150 to 200. So that will act as a resistance for us. So overall market momentum is quite strong, and it can actually take the markets to altogether a new high. So it may actually come back overall till 11,500. We could see the momentum in the coming days. Market may be in that range, or probably market may actually move in the range between 11,000 to 11,200 for quite some time. So both these things are possible. So let's see how things are going to work out, and we will take a decision based on that. Stay tuned, and if you are watching this on my Telegram channel, and if you have not been a part of the Telegram, actually search for Crazy Money with Sri and you will be able to join that. If you're watching this on YouTube, or if you have not been there, you can search for Crazy Money with Sri and you can actually subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can if you are actually watching this on Facebook, or if you are not there, you can search for the same word Crazy Money with Sri and you can actually join there. I'll be sharing a lot more live tips, and in the afternoons I'll be actually sharing with you live trading ideas. You can look at all those live trading ideas and look at where you can actually really go and take this fluctuations whatever is happening to your advantage, and see where you can invest and make some great money which is going to come in. So please share this with as many people as possible. And if you are actually beginner in the market and you want to learn how to actually do a trading or investing, there's a link below. Just go and click on that and join my WhatsApp course, where for 5 days I'm actually teaching you a lot of things on the basics of stock market. For advanced courses, there's a link below. There are other advanced courses also which are there. This is only for the beginners, which is I'm actually giving it at a very low rate of just 499 rupees. Go ahead and click on that, and please share with as many people as possible. Thank you very much. Have a great day.